Hi, in this video we are going to look at how to use the WebYes Accessibility Chrome extension to inspect and test accessibility features directly within your browser. Before we get started, let's quickly understand what the WebYes Accessibility Chrome extension is and why it is useful. The WebYes Accessibility Chrome extension is a browser-based accessibility testing tool that helps you identify potential accessibility issues and inspect different accessibility aspects of the web page you are currently viewing. It provides quick access to accessibility checks and inspection tools, making it useful for developers, designers, QA professionals, and accessibility teams. To get started, first install the WebYes Accessibility Chrome extension from the Chrome Web Store. Once the extension is installed and pinned to your browser toolbar, click on the WebYes icon to open the extension. At the top of the extension, you can select the device view you want to inspect. You can switch between desktop and mobile, depending on your testing requirements. Once you are ready, click on Audit this page to start analyzing the web page. The extension will scan the current web page and display accessibility errors and warnings based on the WCAG level you have selected. You can configure the WCAG level according to your requirements, and the extension will show issues up to the selected level. When you click on an issue, the affected element is highlighted directly on the web page with a red indicator and a highlighted box. This makes it easier to understand exactly where the issue occurs. You can also click on Get Report to view the accessibility issues identified on the page. You may also notice best practices in the results. These are recommendations that can improve usability and accessibility, but are not associated with a specific WCAG success criterion. While they are not formal WCAG compliance issues, addressing them can help create a more structured and user-friendly experience. Next, let's look at the Inspect tools. The Inspect tools allow you to explore different accessibility aspects of the web page interactively. The Focus Order tool displays a numbered sequence over interactive elements on the web page. This shows the order in which elements receive focus when navigating with the Tab key. The elements are also listed in the extension panel, making it easier to review the focus order and identify potential navigation issues. The Alt Text tool lists the images detected on the web page along with their associated alt text. This helps you quickly identify images with missing, duplicated, or unclear alternative text. Next, the Heading tool displays all the headings from H1 to H6 along with their hierarchy and level. This allows you to quickly review the structure of your content and check whether the headings are organized logically. You can also use the Color Contrast Checker to evaluate the contrast between foreground and background colors on your web page. You can select colors directly from the web page or use the built-in color picker to try different combinations. The tool then calculates the contrast ratio and indicates whether the combination meets WCAGAA or AAA requirements. The Landmarks tool provides an overview of the landmark regions present on the web page, such as banner, navigation, main content, complementary, and content information areas. This helps you understand the semantic structure of the page and how major sections are organized. The extension also includes disability simulators, which allow you to explore how certain visual and cognitive impairments may affect the way a web page is perceived. These simulations are intended for educational and testing purposes and are only an approximation of real-world experiences. Under color blindness, you can simulate different types of color vision deficiencies, including protanopia, deuteranopia, tritanopia, and achromatopsia. This can help you check whether important information, buttons, charts, or visual indicators remain distinguishable. The Impaired Vision Simulator allows you to apply different visual effects, such as cataracts, glare sensitivity, yellowing, loss of peripheral vision, loss of central vision, reduced contrast, and double vision. This can help you understand how different visual conditions may affect the readability and usability of your web page. Finally, the Dyslexia Simulator allows you to adjust the severity level to see how changes affect the readability of your content. This concludes our overview of the WebYes Accessibility Chrome extension. By using the Accessibility Checker, Inspect tools, and Disability simulators, you can quickly inspect important accessibility aspects of your web page and identify areas that may need improvement.